Okay, guys, come on. It's been like 52 hours.
Hey. Yeah, he's trying to film.
Beep, 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 beep. Oh, jeez. Pew, 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 pew. Web, web, web. Pew. Stab. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Oh, gee, ah. Beep, beep, boop, beep, 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 beep. Oh. Okay, what in the world is happening? I don't know, but please help me. Well, just jump down. I can't fly. Oh yeah, I forgot you don't have wings. Yeah, somebody ripped them off. Yeah, get to conquer the real Lego world now. Whee! I don't know what's happening, but this is awesome. Oh, so I'm getting lifted off of like some type of beep 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 beep. Stop. Okay. Bye. Okay. Well, it's not the weirdest thing I've seen today. Honestly, not me. Ah. Okay. Well, bye. Oh, come on. Oh wow, there's a lot of people getting ascended. Okay, now what is happening? Hey, I'm not the person who did anything. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna. Oh, come on. Oh, I guess I'm on my own. Ugh. Oh man, where am I? Okay, what is happening? This is very trippy. Hello. Ooh, it's a good echo. Well, this is a weird word. Tell me about it. Does anyone have a medicure? Man has a heart attack. Well, we didn't bring any med kits. I'll go check in the trunk. Bam. Yeah, I have access to the real world. I have access to the real world, so nothing will stop me now. Father! Pew 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 pew. Bam! Ha! Oh, I'm so weak now. That doesn't do anything to me. Good thing I have a team, because without a team, I'm probably just gonna not be existing right now. Ah, this is the best. Oh no, Pinocchio! Oh no, I was just eating my bomb pop. Hide in the bathtub. I'm too over. Dun 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 dun. Oh, you wanna have an epic cool fight? Well, talk to this guy. Bum bum bum. Oh. Pew, 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 pew. He can shoot laser eyes. No. Oh. Everyone should feel me. Haha. Hey, you want to team up? I'm trying to destroy Lego City too. Sure, that sounds awesome. Ah! Ah! Pew 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 pew. Oh no, Boatman! Oh my goodness, Skateboard Man out. Come man, come on. Oh no, he got shot by his laser thingy. Oh no, my shoe, it fell off. No one cares about your shoes. Come on. Pew, 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 pew. Save the pizza. Eat pizza, eat pizza, eat pizza. Nom 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 nom, nom nom nom. Nom nom nom. Ooh. Pew, pew. How can elephants shoot out of their nose? 'Cause we are mutated. Ha! Shadow Man. Spike attack. Lightsaber, lightsaber, lightsaber. Oh no, he's got me. Wah! Yeah, I get to cause mayhem. Oh yeah. Dun-dun-dun. Aha! Crowball, 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 crowball. Ah! Episode 2. Yay! I get to go to a town every favor. I open the portal gate of Agaboogala. Oh. I used faint attack. Pokemon! Ah. Oh no, my wand. Squirtle, Squirtle, Squirtle. Poof! Oh, he turned me into a bunny! Squirtle, Squirtle. Ah! Shaka, 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 shaka. Ah! Squirtle, Squirtle. Oh my goodness. Just give me it. I do the smell of Akamodas. Ahaha. I have broken free from my chains. I have been like trapped for like the 50 something years. Ha! Rocket jet. Aha! Pew 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 pew. Laser dog, go! Good job. You put a hole in the earth. Wait, what now? Yeah, I just taught him how to do that. Hey, I'm Hawkeye. Oh, nice to meet ya. Captain America! I'll keep that. Okay, I don't know how to like break it or do something with it. Yeah. Too bad. I can dodge your attacks. Spiderweb, spiderwebs. Oh no, I'm spiderwebbed. Haha! Hulk smash! Hulk, you kinda did too much. He's fine. I don't think we need it to anyway. Squirtle, Squirtle! Oh, come on, Squirtle. I didn't know you can control this. Squirtle, Squirtle! Ah! Squirtle, Squirtle, Scoodle, Doodle, Doodle, Poodle, Poodle, Scoodle. Poof! Ah! Nom 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 nom. Ah! Squirtle, Squirtle. scoodly doo, bop bop ba doo. Oh, thanks for reviving me, Squirtle in disguise as a cool creature thingy-majig. Squirtle! Still don't know what that means, but I'll take that as a yes. Storm, 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 storm. Stab, 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 stab. Ah! Ninja kick. Force field. Boom. Ha! For the mayhem mechanics. And we're gonna walk you. Oh no! The music's too strong! Ah! Oh no! The wand! Abacaboo, abacadoo, squirtle, doodly doo! Oh, cool. What? Wait, what is happening? Oh, cool. I have a cool eye now. Bippity bop, bippity bop, bippity bop, Hey, cool. You just unlocked the achievement that you just learned how to revive someone. Oh, come on, I revive. Wait. Would you by any chance want to join the supervillain team? Oh yeah, we're trying to destroy this like cool like looking city thing. So yeah. I'm already a part of it. Cool. I'll join if he's in it. We become like BFFs like 5 seconds ago. No, I did. Hey, we all did. Oh, fine. Hey, this guy right here, with one finger. Him. Me, I created ult so I can literally just vanish you. Boo! Ah! No, I'm stuck in this weird portally tingling ding thing. Portaling ding dingling thing. I don't know what I'm stuck in. I'm just stuck. I'm stuck too. Oh, the misery. Poof. Oh, come on. The second time. Hey, at least we got farther than last time. Retreat! Oh, come on. Poof. He trapped us again. Poof. Ha ha ha, poof. Oh, cool. We're back alive again. Look, Scooby-Doo's better. Oh. guy is better. Even the old guy is better. Yay. Squirtle got banished. Ah! Oh wow, that was a wild ride. Definitely a wild ride. Oh, I just needed a nap. Good night. Okay, good night, Cap. Oh, Master Panda. Oh, yay! Oh, I'm back together again. Oh geez, the call flipped over. Hold on, where's the call flipped over? Oh yeah, and you. Oh, that was a nice one. Hey, I was about to do a wheelie on my skateboard. How do you do it? Whatever. Ugh, that first view really was something. I should probably analyze it someday. Meanwhile, pew! Well, I had to do it someday. Too bad he had to be a goner. What are we gonna do here? Like, there's literally nothing else to do. Oh, where am I going? Oh, who are you? Hey, we tried to destroy the people that tried to destroy your city. We were wondering if we could like join your city. Also, because we kind of just got like whiffed here or something. We kind of just like came here out of like absolute no reason. There was no reason that we got like whiffed here. We just kind of just got here. That's all. That's basically how we can describe it. There's much more of us. Hold on. Yay! Hey, easy there. Trying to hunt here. I'm gonna go skateboarding. I'm gonna go skateboarding. Yay, skate park! Dude, this place is nice. I mean, so that I'm a villain, I think I'm better not a villain over here. Yay, he's not a villain. Oh, you kind of like electricity too. Yeah, I am. I am too, but I can't show you my real form yet. Deal is a deal. You can you can join us, and if you're in trouble, or if someone else is in trouble, you just gotta save them, basically. That's what we've been trying to do the past, like, what, 6 seasons? Okay, well, then a deal's a deal. Awesome! Backflip! Meanwhile, I got myself back together finally. Oh, you're saying that you're the last of your kind and all the other guys that like kind of squished you banished your other friends, and you want to help me get your other friends back? Okay. Deal. And I'll get your friends back. Okay. I mean, yeah. Oh, wow. Who did this? I mean, the man kind of betrayed us. I mean, true. Man, when are they gonna save us? I mean, it's been a long time. Man, my hair hasn't grown in weeks. Hey, don't talk about unnecessary stuff. We are trying to find a way to escape. Ugly. Oh, man, my head, I don't even know how many times my head's been cut off. Hey, at least your head isn't made out of radiotoxic. Oh, at least yours isn't made out of a shark mouth. Hey, that makes you special. Hey, guys, move through. Hey, it ain't like a real car. This ain't traffic. Oh, guys, excuse me, who are you? You talking to me? Yes, we are talking to you. Stop talking fancy. I thought they talked fancy. Anyways, we were wondering if you would like to show us the way to the real world. No one's ever wanted to go to the real world before, but we do know how to. It's all for me. I'm the person who will get you there, but I need you to achieve 2 things. First, the most important thing, I need Scout. Scout is like a big creature, a lot of arms. Okay, I'm gonna throw up. Hey, it makes him special. That's literally what I've been saying this whole entire time. Okay, we'll give you what you want. So now what? Well, after that, I will show you. It's just over there. Let me see. Oh, wow. That is what you're looking at? Yeah, it crashed onto that island like, 4 weeks ago, and 4 months ago. Maybe probably 4 to 5 weeks ago. We're thinking that if we harnessed enough power that it can actually rebuild the portal. And let's just say, I've been through some fights. There was a whole Avengers team. The Avengers, I used to be Spider-Man, but then I turned to evil. Okay. We'll get it for you. Hut. Everyone, start going towards the thing. I'll take them too. Follow me. The rest of you stay. There's a plan. Okay, do that. Oh, who are you? I'm part of the bad guy group. If you would like to join, that would be awesome. Oh, cool. Sure. Oh, who are you? Yo, are you a bad guy? Are you the famous Dr. Octopus? Yes, I am Doc Ock. And I found her. Now we need to find our funds. Okay, just breathe. I don't have any bones. I didn't realize you were my son. So we found this like egg-looking thing, but we don't know how to uncover it. Oh, I can slice it. Hey, watch where that sharp thing's going. Wait, I think I know whose egg it is. You know who eggs it is? Whose egg is it? Just tell us. It's Mr. T's. I didn't realize Mr. T had a baby. Whatever. We need to find what that cool thingy-majig is. He's right, mister. Whoever that Mr. T is, we need to find him now. Cause that crying noise is annoying. Okay, enough of that voice. Oh, fine. Come on. I know a shortcut in. That's the long way over there. Wait. Oh yeah, no, there's not a shortcut. So this thing right here, this little thing right here, that thing on the end right there, can harness enough power. So let's go. I used to have wings, but then they kind of got whipped off. I have the pen energy. We just need to do this for a couple more hours. And guys, we just gotta wait at the portal, and then the portal will be open. Okay. So we just gotta wait. Yes, basically. Oh, ooh, I can also destroy the ward. Okay, well, you'll come in handy. You just stand right there. You'll be plan B if things go wrong. Or if you start heading over to here so you can immediately charge in. You don't want any delays. Also, don't get in a line. It's easier when you just all crowd in, because, like, it's easier. Can also send out a drone in. We have enough power to send in the smallest thing you have. Hello, can you hear us? Oh yeah, fascinating tech. Oh, I think you can hear us. Is that Sharkman? Yes, I'm Sharkman. Hi. Oh yeah, it's that guy that got whipped off 2,000 times. We don't need to mention that. Hey. Okay, guys, stop crowding. Hey. Oh, hi. Okay, I think I said stop crowding. Man, what happened to him? I don't know. I don't know what's happened. Anyways, he betrayed us. Guys, stop crowding me. Hey, we don't even know who you are. I'm trying to make a phone call. To who? Oh yeah, Munchkin. We're pretty friendly. But anyways, what I was saying was, hey, when did you even get here? I was here for an hour. He mastered the skill of, like, maneuvering around things. Who are you? Oh yeah, I learned that skill too. I'm Meow Squad. This is Jeff. I'm the assistant of Hall. Right now, she kind of took some of your friends on a chaotic mission to make this portal kind of like go all over and make this portal that got destroyed, that's also making all of us stay from the outside world, kind of just like stay into this world. They also found a destructive bot that can actually destroy the world with a countdown. Anyways. Punch, 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 punch. A nice punching bag. Beep, bop, beep, bop, beep, 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 beep. Oh yeah, I forgot you can't understand man language. She is the assistant of Hall. He is the assistant of Hall. I am one of the persons that you can trust. So I know how to get out, but it's gonna be very risky. It's called wifting from side to side. So there's a fox house right there that in the side, like you can like, if you push yourself inside in the corner, you can glitch into the house, and then you can. So that's what we should probably do. And welcome to Lego City. Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to the news. Somebody just said that there has been an outbreak of people wifting from side to sides. No one knows how you whiff from side to sides, but it was like a myth, but now it is real. Ah! So yeah, it's real. Take it over to Jerry. As you can see over there, there was a cosmetic blast that blasted all the animals, knocked down, which we have never seen that much powers in 2020 years. Take it over to Jeremiah. On the world, we can obviously see that there's a lot happening. Roads are blocked because there's not many places to go. People in the world, so that's all for NBC News today. That's it for Lego City News. So yeah, that is all, folks. See you next time. Dun 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 dun.